This is Dano with ShdowTrader.net, sitting in for Peter this week, who's on vacation, a well-deserved vacation at that. So what I wanted to do was take you guys through the ShdowTrader Swing Trader portion of the new website that we have. If you're a follower of the Swing Trader, you know that we put out a nightly newsletter. We try to post it by 10 p.m. So it's there for you in the morning. And we also trade a model portfolio and send out trades in real time over Twitter, and we can send it directly to your phone, and I'm going to show you how that works too. The Swing Trader newsletter is posted every evening on the website, but also access the ShdowTrader Swing Trader newsletter on My Trade, which is found right under the Tools tab on the Thinkorswim platform. Go to My Trade. You can go to People, and under Technical Traders, you'll find Swing Trader along with FX Traders and Pair Trader. So you just click on that, and here you'll also see all of our trades posted along with the link directly to the newsletter. If you haven't done so already, you would need to register, which is a very easy process. There's no cost. It's free. All it takes is your email address, and you establish a password, and you're in. So that's the other way that you can access the ShdowTrader Swing Trader. But we've got a lot going on in the Swing Trader. We've got a looking ahead section, which starts off with what we see on the monthly chart, the weekly chart, and the daily chart, normally of the S&P 500. And then we have a daily post of either what we see happening in the broad market or in specific individual trades that we think are worth looking at. And then we have a section that lists the results of the previous day, and then we also provide the ES and NQ market profile and pivot points on a daily basis, so you can mark those on your charts. We track 25 sectors that make up the market and tell you which ones led in the previous day and which ones were the worst performers. And we're also checking and keeping track of sectors that are overbought and oversold. We give you the heads up section, which provides economic announcements as well as earnings announcements for the current day and the next 2 days. And then we have the bulls and bears section, which gives you up to 5 trade ideas on a daily basis. And then below that, we've got the ShadowTrader model portfolio that shows you our open positions as well as our closed positions for the week. And then beneath that, we've got our performance going back a number of years. And if you click on this year, things are going pretty well. We have almost, after 6 months this year, $12,000 made on $100,000. So we're up 12% going into the end of the 6th month for the year. You don't even have to have a Twitter account to follow us. You can receive trade alerts simply by texting to 40404, and the message would be follow space ST_swing. And if you text that to 40404, you would receive all of our trade alerts as well as our postings for the ShdowTrader Swing Trader. Otherwise, you can just come back here or go to follow us along on My Trade, where again all account holders on Thinkorswim have access to the newsletter. As far as the broad market, I'm going to stick to what I've been saying in the newsletter. It really is sort of a smash and grab, hit and run type of environment right now. It's really throwing people for a loop as far as its overall direction. I mean, all this week we had a lower open, higher close, lower open, higher close, higher open, lower close, higher open, lower close, higher open, lower close. So there's no real defined direction today. Over this weekend, Trump has rattled the cages a little more with regard to tariffs, so we'll see how that plays out. There's been some development in other indicators that I use that I'll be publishing this week in the Swing Trader newsletter. So we'd love to have you join us. ShadowTrader.net, Swing Trader. This is Dano, and we'll talk to you soon.